Grilled baby bells here in Vince's kitchen. Grilled baby bells. Okay, so these are baby bell peppers. Once again, you can buy these in bulk at the big box stores. They come in a package of maybe 20, 30 baby bells. All we're gonna do to really prep these guys is we're just gonna top them. Don't even need to de-seed them because they're not that spicy. And then put them away. So as I get these guys prepped and in the bowl, through the magic of stopping and starting the camera, I'll be back in just a sec. Okay, our baby bells were topped. All we're gonna do to get them ready for the grill is just sprinkle a little olive oil on it. And that's it. So as I prep the grill and get that going, once again, through the magic of starting and stopping the camera, I'll meet you guys outside on my little Smoky Joe. All right, so we got the Smoky Joe all dialed in. We're gonna go ahead and place all the peppers on the grill. And then we're gonna probably cook these for about 5 to 10 minutes. Don't worry about burning the skins. We'll be flipping these. About 2, maybe 3 times, just to make sure that all the sides are nice and cooked. And then we'll be rotating them around. Get them all up on there. We'll keep them covered. And like I said, about every 5 minutes, we'll take a look and flip. On there. Oh, look at that, nice and sizzling. Get some grilling action going. I love this dish. Let's take a moment to thank our sponsor, Mahalo Hosting. Mahalo Hosting offers competitive rates for domain names and web hosting. Why register a star in your name when your name can be your domain? Mahalo Hosting also offers custom high-level domains like .photography, .club, .us, and .tv. Visit www.mahalohosting.com today. Alright, so 5-minute bell went off. We're going to go ahead and flip these guys around. Look at that, nice coloring coming around. A little hot in the center there. We can move these out to the outside. Alright. Like I said, these little burned edges aren't that bad. It's not a horrible thing. Alright. Because it just adds to the flavor. So we got a hot side on this side, so we'll move these guys over to this side. And then we'll just be swapping places, just making sure that, the bell peppers are getting nice and soft and getting evenly cooked. This is most definitely our hot side over here. So we're going to flip these over, get these guys over there. Just like that. So the cool thing about these bell peppers is that they're really versatile. You can just serve them up as appetizers, and I'll show you how that's done. Or you can put them in olive oil and use them as roasted peppers in olive oil, and then you can top them off with a sandwich with some garlic. Just absolutely delicious. So now that all of these have been pretty much flipped, like I said, do not worry about this roasted. It's just par for the course. It's it doesn't taste awful at all. So I'll show you how we get that all dolled up in about another 5 more minutes. Okay, so that was 5 minutes on each side. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Looking good, looking good. We can take a few of these off. These are just, yeah, they're perfect. Like I said, don't worry about the black and the skin. This is just roasted. They're cooked all the way through. They're soft. This one may need another minute or two. That one may need another minute or two. Throw that there. These ones are good. We'll just get these off. We'll keep them covered, put them in the kitchen in the meantime. That's perfect. Those are perfect. And these will work. So we'll put these on for another, oh, they're pretty much cooked already. But let's blacken them up a little bit, and they'll look, they'll be absolutely perfect for what we're doing. Alright, so these guys are done. I put them on for another 3 minutes. Oh, just absolutely beautiful. We'll go ahead and pick these up. Just perfect. Oh man. These are going to be delicious. Alright, now that I've gathered up all the bells, baby bells, let's go back into the kitchen and finish these bad boys off. Okay, so to dress these guys up a little bit, we're just going to add a little bit of garlic powder. That's perfect right there. Don't want to kill it. A little bit of fresh ground pepper. Now, if you got fresh garlic cloves in this would also be really good as well. You can mince them down. Just a little bit of sea salt for taste. Right, and we're gonna get some balsamic vinegar poured on there, and get some olive oil. Right, doesn't have to be pretty, just gotta taste good. Right, let's get that all mixed up, get that all in there. Right, right, just like that. Let me grab a plate. Transfer that all onto the plate. You can serve this up, like I said, as a wonderful side dish. If you just use oil and garlic, serve it up in a sandwich, right? Or as an appetizer. We're not done yet. Of course, everything I do has got to have a little bit of cheese on it. I'm going to take some Pecorino Romano cheese and just coat. Just be generous with it. There you go. Right? Get some cheese going in there, just like so. Oh, that is on point. Absolutely delicious. Again, just to reiterate, just as an appetizer, this is just amazing. As a side dish, amazing. On a roast beef and Swiss sandwich, amazing. This is just the perfect topping to just about any meal, in my opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for coming to my party. Love you, mean it.